Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a smooth, eye-catching counter-up number animation inside Webflow. If you've ever wanted to make those slick web designs where numbers count up dynamically, like when showing off stats, milestones, or achievements, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, professional counter animation that really elevates the look of your site, all done in just a few easy steps. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is head over to the page settings in Webflow. Once you're inside your Webflow designer, take a look at the left-hand panel and click on the pages icon. Now, from the list of your static pages, look for the one you want to add the animation to. Usually this might be your home page. Over on the right side of that page listing, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings button. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, this might take a moment if you're new to Webflow, but don't worry. Just hover over the page name and that gear should appear. Now we're inside our page settings. What we're going to do is scroll down a bit to find the custom code section. This is where we'll be pasting in a handy little script, and don't worry, I'll leave this code in the video description below so you can just copy and paste it. Adding this script is what actually gives us the power to animate those numbers, because out of the box, Webflow doesn't have a built-in counter-up effect. Once you've pasted in your code, make sure to scroll down and hit that save button. This step is super important. Don't just navigate away, otherwise your changes won't stick. Great, now let's hop back to the designer and actually add the number that's going to animate. Click on the Add Elements panel, that's the little plus icon on the left. From here, drag a heading element right onto your canvas, wherever you'd like your counter animation to appear on your page. Once you've got your heading in place, click into it and change the text to whatever number you want to animate. In our example, I'm going to use 500%, but you can choose anything that makes sense for your site, whether it's a sales figure, a percentage, or perhaps the number of happy customers you have. Make sure to center this heading. You can use the alignment tools under the Style panel to get it looking just right. Now here's a key detail. In order for our script from earlier to work, the number needs to be wrapped in a span with a specific class name. Don't worry if that sounds technical, here's how you do it. Highlight just the number in your heading, so in this case 500, and look for the Wrap with Span option, which should appear in your text editing menu. Click that and you'll see your number get a little blue highlight. That means it's been wrapped successfully. Next, with the span still selected, go to your class naming field and rename it as counter. This lets the script know exactly which element to animate. Think of it like putting a label on a box so you can find it later. If you forget this step, the animation won't target your number, so it's important to double check. Alright, we're almost there. All that's left is to publish your site so the script can run. Click on the Publish button in the top right, wait just a moment for your site to update, and then hit Preview. When you load up your page live, you should see your number smoothly counting up right before your eyes. If it's not working, double check that you saved your settings and that the span has the right class name. Those are the usual spots where something tiny might cause a hiccup. And that's it, you've just created a super smooth, professional counter-up animation in Webflow. This little touch can make stats and milestones on your site stand out like never before. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Webflow tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.